Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year, the 2025 Toyota Highlander. Whether you're a longtime fan or just SUV shopping, this one's worth a look. Let's check out what's new, what's improved, and whether it's the right choice for your garage. Exterior design as 030. Narrator, the 2025 Highlander gets a modern refresh. Toyota's added sharper lines, a more aggressive front grille, and sleek LED lighting all around. Higher trims get black tout accents and new 20-inch wheels that give it a sportier vibe. It's still instantly recognizable, but with a bold twist. Show footage or images of the front and rear design, LED lights, wheels. Interior tech A115. Narrator, inside, the Highlander steps it up with more premium materials and better tech. You get a standard 12.3-inch infotainment screen on most trims, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a fully digital driver display. The layout is clean, intuitive, and there's plenty of USB-C ports to go around. Show touchscreen, digital dash, panoramic sunroof, second and third row. Performance 8 o'clock. Narrator, under the hood, the 2025 Highlander sticks with two solid options. The base model comes with a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine pushing out around 265 horsepower. If you're going green, the hybrid version combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors for excellent fuel economy. We're talking close to 36 mpg combined. Show driving footage, engine bay, hybrid badging. Safety features A245. Narrator, safety's a top priority. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 is standard, giving you adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. Plus, parking sensors and a surround view camera help with tight spots. Show footage of features in action, HUD, sensors. Trim levels pricing A330. Narrator, the 2025 Highlander comes in a range of trims, L, La, XLE, Limited, and Platinum A with both FWD and AWD options. Pricing starts around $39,000 and climbs past $52,000 for the top spec models. Hybrid models cost a bit more but can save you in the long run on gas. Overlay text with trim names and pricing. Final thoughts A410. Narrator, Toyota keeps the Highlander at the top of its game in 2025. It's not a radical redesign, but it's smarter, sharper, and more refined. Perfect for families or anyone who wants reliable comfort with modern flair. Close with beauty shots of the car, logo, family loading up,